So the sign of chasing happiness on the outside is the sign of ignorance. It is a sign that we don't have knowledge. All these comparisons are deluding. An experiment was conducted where researchers were giving cucumbers to monkeys. The experiment was that they hand a marble to the monkey and the monkey has to hand the marble back. And if it does that, then they get one cucumber. So all was going very well. The monkey was learning, it would take the marble, give it back and get its cucumber as a reward. Until it saw that the monkey by its side was getting grapes. Now the problem began. I am getting cucumbers, it's fine, but this fellow monkey is getting grapes. So it became so frustrated that it took the cucumber which was given and threw it on the researcher's face. That is why it is said that comparison is the thief of joy. You are living in America, you have got a job, you've got a house, you got this, that, but the other person got a Tesla and I am still stuck with this car. Now the unhappiness has begun. So it is always grass is greener on the other side. That is the illusion. Everybody is thinking, that guy must be happy. And the fact is that in the material realm, nobody is happy. Now that decision, if it comes, your problem is solved. Otherwise, you keep on running and running and running. There is no end to it. The whole life will go by. So if we can somehow decide, and how will the decision come? Now you say, I need to experience this, then I need to experience that, then I need to experience, then you go on and on and on experiencing. Now you want to experience everything in the world. A human being is expected to use the buddhi, the intellect. That look, I don't need to experience everything. I can use my brains. I am the soul, and the soul is divine. So the happiness of the soul is also from the divine. There are 4 kinds of buddhi or intellect. One is the intellect of the patanga, that insect. It is drawn to the deepak, to the light. Here it comes, it gets burnt. Sometimes if you're in a dark room with a deepak, and it gets attracted, it goes off. So it gets burnt, it runs off. But then again it comes back. Then again it goes off. Then again it comes. Insects, intellect is so small, it's not able to learn what to do. More intelligent than that is the cat. The cat drinks the hot milk. Hot boiling milk is placed, the cat drinks it. It learns, wait, this is danger. After that one bitter experience, then it is not willing to drink chach also without blowing. Then it will drink the chach. The cat has learnt. More intelligent than that is the intellect of the goat. It has never seen a wolf. But the first time the wolf appears before it, the goat realizes. Now the goat doesn't say, let it eat me once, then I will understand. It picks out the danger really by seeing it. Oh my God, this doesn't look good. Run for your life. And a human being is expected, Bhagavan says, I have given you the buddhi. I expect you to use it, that even without seeing, you should understand. With the help of knowledge that I am the soul and my happiness is in the Supreme. So that, with that conviction of the intellect, then we will seek happiness within ourselves. Which is the slogan of JKYog. How do you actually become happy? Not by chasing it on the outside. When you try to be the best person you can be, when you try to do the best you can do, and you feel the best that you can feel. So if you really want to be happy, then be good and do good to feel good. That's just another way of putting what Sri Krishna has put out here. So he says that yogis who rejoice in themselves, they don't feel the need. I'm 50-year-old, I'm alone, what will I do in my old age? I need company, let me get married. So they don't feel that need for external company. They are rejoicing within themselves, enjoying the delight of God within, illumined by the inner light. Such yogis who are united with the Lord are liberated from material existence.